Hello, everyone. This is our Hawaii volcano summary for July 18th, 2024. It's been 6 weeks since the Southwest Rift eruption on Kīlauea, and 2 weeks since the heightened earthquake swarm on the Upper East Rift. And the volcano is still swollen and still gradually inflating with more magma. If we look at the South Caldera GPS north to south, we can see that the caldera has been expanding in length. So despite the recent adjustments, there's still magma building underground underneath the summit area, and beyond that, in fact, as well, as we'll see shortly. Here are the earthquake rates per day over the last month. So earthquakes have been fairly active in that Upper East Rift connector and South Caldera area, but at levels much lower than we saw at the end of June, beginning of July earthquake swarm in that same area. If we look at the tilt meter, this is a Sand Hill station, we can see inflation both from the South Caldera area and from the main caldera area as well, at a pretty massive scale here. We're looking at many tens of microradians of change each week going on here. So pretty good buildup there. And our most recent satellite radar image is showing a bullseye down here in that South Caldera area, as you would expect. So that's where the magma is building underground. The earthquakes are concentrating more so on the East Rift area than in the Southwest. But really, it's this whole summit area within about 5 miles of Halemaumau that's been rising, uplifting with magma building underground. So that's the story on Kīlauea. Mauna Loa over the last month is much quieter. There have been some earthquakes showing magma still filling and inflating at depth, but nothing very major. And we can still see that long term, the volcano is also spreading its caldera north to south, getting wider as magma builds underground. Looking at the ground tilt for the last month at Mauna Loa, we're back to our normal gradual inflation after seeing a little bit of a steeper adjustment last week. So back to our regular background normal on Mauna Loa, and nothing to be concerned about there. And that's